My RoboPop60 do not turn off. So we plug the machine. No reaction. In this case, check the emergency stop button. Probably you just switch it off. Untwist emergency stop button. Then turn on the machine, and you will see on the screen the system message that machine, automatic machine disconnection. That message caused by the emergency stop button. So to replace this message, go to the settings, 6666, enter. Emergency lock. Press and hold for 3 seconds. Go back. Ready.